Jumpy Kids!
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for butterfly, flying in the heat. C is for candy, yummy treat. D is for duck, quack, quack feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for flower, blooming all along. G is for guitar, strum, strum, play. H is for house, where we stay. I is for ice, cold and nice. J is for jacket, cozy and tight. K is for king, crown on his head. L is for lock, on the shed. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for nose, sniff with me. O is for owl, hoot at night. P is for pencil, write and write. Q is for quiet, shh, don't speak. R is for rose, pretty and sweet. S is for strawberry, juicy snack. T is for table, where we unpack. U is for umbrella, rain goes away. V is for viola, music to play. W is for window, look outside. X is for xylophone, colors collide. I is for yarn, soft and fun. Z is for zipper, zip and run. And we know our ABCs. Sing them loud with you and me.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.